been implementing XSLT, but nobody has actually executed them, right? These XSLT documents are passive, right? They're declarative, right? They declare what the transformation should be, but just by themselves, they can't do anything, right? You need somebody to take that XSLT document and then apply it to some XML document, right? So you need to grab an input XML document, apply the XSLT transformation, and that generates a third document, right? The resulting XML document, right? Or file, whatever file it is, whatever data type you have in there, right? We saw that we can generate HTML, we can generate SQL, and excuse me, or other XML documents. So in particular, we can generate it using Java. You can either use perhaps your IDE. Your IDE certainly will have some IDE, some XSLT runner, right? It's very common that IDEs will allow you to open up an XSLT document and apply it to an XML document and then generate the output. Certainly, IntelliJ has that capability. I'm sure Eclipse does as well. But let's see how we can do it programmatically. We can do that programmatically as well from Java. From Java, we can use the libraries under the XML.transform library, and it has the following interfaces that allow you to read a source XML document, generate a result XML document, and also instantiate or parse an XSLT document that will be your transformer, and then apply the transformation of the incoming XML document, apply the XSLT transformation, and then generate a result that gets written to a file. All right, so let's take a look at that. So the general steps is that you create a source and a result. This will be the input XML and the output file, right? You then create a transformer using the XSLT document, right? And then you apply the XSLT document on the input to generate the output, okay? So here's an example of transforming an XML file, right? So here's the main function. We're going to read three files, right? We're going to read we're going to open up three streams, right? Two of them are for reading the XML that we're going to transform and the actual transformer XSLT. Right? So we're going to read those two in, and then as an output, it's going to be either another XML document or HTML or PDF or Word or whatever we're generating, or SQL. We might be generating a SQL file. So those are the three files that we deal with. We're going to read a stream, a source. We're going to read the XSLT code. We're going to read the input XML document, and then the output, we're going to stream out the result into a file, output file, okay? We're going to instantiate a transformer. With a transformer factory, we create an instance of a transformer. We configure it and say, hey, this is the XSLT document code that I want you to run, okay? And then we can call the transformer and say, hey, transform the input XML document and generate the output using the transformer I gave you, the XSLT code, the transformer. And you can apply it to multiple XML documents. So once you have a transformer, when you pass the XSLT code, kind of like compiles the code, right? It gets ready, and then you can reapply the same transformer into any number of XML documents that come in, right? And apply it, and then it'll transform it into the output XML or SQL or whatever it is that you're generating, right?